Today we're going to be taking a look at this all-in-one spillover waterfall that you can install in minutes and put absolutely anywhere, including in a random bathtub in the woods. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, install it and demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is truly an all-in-one kit. Not only does it come with the pump and the waterway, but it also has lights, instructions, as well as a fairly long hose. First, we need to install the elbow inside the actual spillover. So you need to remove the piece of foam that's in here and then put the straight end through the inside and then attach the elbow to the outside. Then put this piece onto the pump and attach your hose with the hose clamps to both ends. You can see that I tightened it down here with a flathead screwdriver. I then brought it outside and set it onto the dog wash station. Couldn't have worked out better. I'm using this fantastic extension cord that has multiple outlets on it. It does have an on-off switch on the back, so you just flip it on. It's a fountain. Oh, my Lanta. That's amazing. I think I might have to clean the tub and sit in this myself. Mr. Rooster seems to be impressed as well. In a second, we're going to take a look at this at night, but let's just take a minute to appreciate the beauty of this fountain during the day. Okay, it's nighttime, and so we're going to turn this on. Oh, my Lanta, look, it's a glowing bathtub. Unfortunately, I am unable to change the color because the remote control batteries are messed up or something. I'm not sure, so I can't change the color, but this is so cool. If you have a pond or you're creating a new water feature outside, this spillover waterfall is a fantastic option. It was incredibly easy to set up and install, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to order some new button batteries so that I can get the remote to work, and I cannot wait to see the different modes that the lights have.